Going on YouTube, Centex Collector here with another review for G.I. Joe Classified. Got Major Bludd. I'm finally getting around to the rest of the figures. I probably got about 5 more reviews to do after this one. But here's the Major Bludd. I think I got this from Target. I can't remember now. I've got so many that been coming in, but if you see my other reviews, typical box art. He's number 27. Major Bludd's one of the core components in the Cobra command. He's a mercenary, runs the Cobra troopers for Cobra commander, Cobra army. Let's go ahead and crack him open. There he is in the plastic. And then this box art has the telodrome in the background instead of the typical Cobra symbol. This is the Cobra Island. So I must got this from Target since this was Target exclusive. So I must got it on the website. And then quick overview in the plastic. And let me crack him out of the plastic. Okay. So here's our figure. And then here's the OG from what, 84 I believe. And then the 25th anniversary version. As you can see, I've done a really good job of taking the old, updating it to the new for the classified. Looks like they didn't do his like mechanical arm or whatever he had funky going on there on the classified. But yeah, very similar to vintage and the 25th. Click look accessories. Got this big old revolver, modernized pistol looking thing. Then his backpack, which is very similar to, here's the 25th anniversary one. So it's very reminiscent of the vintage. Sleeve should probably pop right in there. Ideally. But anyway, those should pop in the backpack. And then this pistol looks like will pop in on the side. And this one's very reminiscent of the vintage pistol. And of course, his helmet looks like the dog tags come right off. I think those are the dog tags of the people he's killed, I think is the lore. Pop this on, give him his classic look. I kind of like him without the stupid helmet, but there's his helmet to give him the classic look. More so of the 25th. But definitely got that mercenary look going on here without it. You got the pouch over here for his revolver. Ideally. There you go. Belt. But like most, got the double jointed chin, or double jointed knees. Got your ankle movement. The foot. See, they modernized it with the, it's got the same black boots, but we got the shin guards. He's got knee pads in this one. Had knee pads on the 25th as well. And upper movement on the thighs. Hands. No extra hands on this one like some of the other figures. Double jointed elbows. Upper arm movement. Pretty good rotation on the arm. He's got like this built-in body armor. He's got the movement here in the torso. Not much front back head, just side to side head movement. Pretty sure the head would pop off. And real good details in the chest plate armor. I don't see any Cobra logos on Major Bludd. I guess the old ones didn't have it either. No. Guess that's why. Yeah, I guess since he's a mercenary or merc, he's got no Cobra logos. But yeah, I'm digging this figure. Very. He's got shoulder pad on one side but not the other. That's weird. Yeah, definitely restricts your movement. Well, maybe that's to encompass, since he's got the I guess cyborg arm, mechanical arm, whatever the lore was. I forget right now. Maybe that's to signify that for this arm. Because you see he's kind of got, I guess they did do that here. If you look at the arm closely, he's got, the shoulder pad here, which restricts movement. If you look at the arm, almost looks kind of mechanical. You got this thing right here, the bicep. It almost gives it like a mechanical look and feel on this right arm. So maybe they did do that just in their own variation. Yeah, just like the 25th. Okay, I see it. Here's the 25th. They did their own variation here on the right arm. Just like in the vintage, his right arm. Okay, so they did do it just in their own way. Looking at the details. So that's cool. Yes, they really kept to his origins, per se. But yeah, I'm digging this Major Bludd. Add to my Cobra lineup. Get my Cobra shelf resituated. But overall, yeah, I'm digging this Major Bludd. They kept it very reminiscent of the past with their own touches for the classified, which has been great for the classified. People are going to complain one way or the other that, Hasbro's going too futuristic. They're just doing repaints. They're doing too much. Oh, we want something. I mean, Hasbro's just trying to do the best they can. They can't please everybody, but this is a very good rendition of a mixture of past, present, and future for this classified line. We got the 6-inch figures, so it is what it is. Guys, just keep supporting the line, and they have tons of stuff coming out. So I got about 5 more reviews, some other figures to do. I've just been falling behind, but definitely digging this Major Bludd. Take a quick look. So I got vintage, 25th, and classified Bloods. You got Cobra team, gotta have Major Bludd. Yeah, guys, like, comment, subscribe. JJ out.